Hello everybody and welcome to Dan's Arms Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be checking out a new webcam. This time it's from Trust. It's the GXT 1160 Vero Streaming Webcam, and it's 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames a second. However, before we jump into today's video, here's a message from our sponsor. So today's video is brought to you by PureVPN, the virtual private network that's going to keep your security and your privacy in hand, which is also self-managed. They have 6,500 servers across 140 different countries and no log certified, meaning they do not share your data with anybody else. They have a 256-bit encryption protecting you for while you're on the move, whether you're getting games downloaded early, watching videos, listening to the latest music, or even downloading anything from Netflix. Again, PureVPN is the network that's going to keep your security at hand, and the link is in the description down below. To get 99p off your first 7-day free trial, 50% off your first year subscription, or even 70% off a 2-year subscription, again, link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. So upon opening up the box, and you're greeted with a few little bits and pieces. There is your legal and compliance information, we're not going to need that. And then there is underneath a setup guide, not going to need that either. But there is your webcam. So upon getting it out, you are greeted with a USB Type 2, so not USB Type 3, but it doesn't really matter for webcams, and about a 3-foot cable. And then we look at the webcam itself. So it's got quite a nice little arm to it to pivot it up and down. And it's got a rubber bit on the bottom, so you can use it as a desk mount. And you can also clamp it to PC screens as well, laptop screens, whatever you need. On a further look at the webcam itself, it's got a little on indicator here, so you know when you are recording and when you're not. It's got a really nice 8 megapixel lens right in the middle, and then either side is your microphone. So it's got a built-in microphone, but we're not going to test that. This is a streaming webcam. You're going to have something like a condenser microphone on a boom arm, so not really going to need it for this. Also, if you're going to be using it for, like, let's say Discord, TeamSpeak, Skype, you're going to have a headset of some sort. So not really going to need the microphones, but it's there if you need it. Now, this is a semi-budget webcam. I'll tell you the price at the end. An affiliate link will be in the description down below if you wish to go and check it out yourself. But it's got an automatic white balance, it's clear video in good light conditions, and it's fixed focus as well for a clear and sharper image. Now, we are going to test that with a green screen in just a moment. But yeah, overall, I really like the design of it. It's light. It comes with a really nice sort of rubbery cable that has been sort of grooved out as well. So it does feel premium and it does feel like it's good quality. However, let's jump on over to the PC and see what the image quality is before we set up a green screen. So here you go, here's the Trust GXT 1160 Vero Streaming Webcam in all its glory, and it was just so easy. No driver downloads, just plug and play. And as you can tell, the colour vibrance with no auto correction or any sort of colour adjustment, it does bring everything out with good lighting. Now, as you can tell, obviously by me moving my hands around, there's no real sort of lag, maybe a millisecond or two regarding what you can see on the screen to how I'm recording, and hopefully it does look really, really good. But like I said, this is a 1920 by 1080p webcam at 30 frames a second for a mediocre good budget, sort of around a middle range of webcams, and definitely better than the cheaper ones that I've tested so far. Again, no need for a microphone on the webcam because you're going to have a boom arm when you're streaming. So yeah, let's actually see what it's like with the green screen test during gameplay, and then I will give you my thoughts and opinions at the end of the video.
Reloading. Friendly UAV overhead.
So then, would I recommend the GXT 1160 Vero Streaming Webcam to you guys at home if you're looking at getting into streaming? And yes, I would. Now, we'll tell you the price in just a moment, but there is an Amazon affiliate link in the description down below, so go ahead and do check it out. Now, if you do pick up one, it does help out the channel, so I will thank you in advance. But getting back to the webcam itself, now the video quality was absolutely amazing at 1080p 30 FPS without the green screen, and as you could tell, it didn't take me long to set it up at all. It was literally just plug it in and away I go. And yeah, there was really no lag. It was about a millisecond to 2 milliseconds, but it wasn't noticeable. Now, when I went into the green screen test, and that was a little bit more trickier, like it is with every webcam setting it up, but again, the image quality was really good, and you couldn't see any fuzzing or any greenness around the chair, around the microphone, around myself, and the colour was still there as well. So yes, overall, a really great little product. The only thing I would say is I would have wanted it to swivel sort of 360 on top, but nonetheless, it doesn't really matter. It's a great little webcam if you're starting streaming. Or if you're going to be using it for video conferencing as well, then go and pick yourself up one and it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So at the time of recording this video, the GXT 1160 Vero Streaming Webcam comes in at just over £40 and it's a great little webcam for the price. Now, like I said, there will be an Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. It doesn't cost you guys anything extra, just gives the channel a bit of a kickback and means I can bring you more videos like this. Whilst you're down there, all my social media links, Facebook, Instagram, Discord, come along and say hello. Leave any thoughts or questions that you do have in the comment section down below as well, and go ahead and share the video. It really does help out the channel. And whilst you're down there, there is a red button. It says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from myself. And like always, I shall see you guys in the next video.